Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about indefinite integrals, their rules and the methods of indefinite integrals. What is indefinite integral? First we should learn this. Indefinite integral. Let fx be a function of x, then the family of integrals of fx is the indefinite integral. Of fx. Integral of fx with respect to x, suppose it is gx plus c. This c is known as the constant of integration. We have already learnt in the previous video, and because of this c only, this becomes the family of integrals of fx and it is known as the indefinite integrals. Here fx is known as the integrand, and this dx represents that we are finding the integration of the function with respect to x. Generally we use two words, integral and integration. Is there any difference between the two? Yes, there is a difference. Integral of a function is the antiderivative, or we call it primitive of the function. Like here we have integral of function fx with respect to x is gx plus c. But integration is the process of finding the integral. So we write integration is the process of finding the integral. To find the indefinite integral of different type of functions, we should learn some of the rules. What are these rules? Let's learn. The first rule says, if the function has been given as the sum or difference of two or more functions which is to be integrated, then we can find out the integral of all the functions separately and add or subtract them. So this rule says, to find the integral of fx plus minus gx dx, means with respect to x, we can find the integral of fx separately and add or subtract the integration of gx with this. To understand this, let's take one of the example. Suppose we have been asked to find out the integral of ex plus sin x dx. We can write it as integration of ex plus integration of sin x separately. We know the integral of ex is ex plus the integral of sin x is minus cos x plus c. So the answer here comes as ex minus cos x plus c. Second rule is, if we are to find out the integral of a function which is multiplied with a constant, then that constant can be taken out as multiplication and we can find out the integral of the function. Like we write k into fx. Suppose we want to find out the integral of this, then we can write this as k into integral of fx into dx. Let's take one example for this also. Suppose we have to find the integral of 5 sec square x. We can write this as 5 into integral of sec square x, which is 5 into 10x plus c. So these are the two rules which we can follow for integration. If we generalize the two rules, Then we can write generalized form, and we can write this as third rule, that is integration of a1 fx1 plus a2 fx2 plus a3 fx3 plus so on an fxn. We want to integrate this function with respect to x. We can find the integral separately, and that will be a1 into integration of fx1 plus a2 into integration of fx2 plus a3 into integration of fx3 and so on an integration of fxn with respect to x. Let's take one example for this particular generalized rule also. That is, suppose we have been given a question 5 into ax plus 3x square. We can write it as 5 into integration of ax dx plus 3 into integration of x square dx. So this can be written as 5 into, we know the integral of ax, that is ax upon log of a with base e, plus 3 into the integral of x square is x cube upon 3 plus c. This 3 and 3 cancel, which is equal to 5 into ax upon log of a plus x cube plus c, and this is the answer to this particular question. One more rule we can take as fourth rule, that is if we are finding the integral of fx upon gx, then we should see the degree of both fx and gx, and if we find the degree of fx is greater than or equal to degree of gx, then divide fx by gx and convert into the mixed form. We know what is the meaning of mixed fraction. Let's take one example for this also. Suppose we have been given a question, find the integral of x square plus 3x plus 5 upon x plus 1. We find the degree of this fx is 2 here and the degree of gx is 1. So we divide it, and for division we can write x square plus 3x plus 5 divided by x plus 1. X times it goes x square plus x. Subtract them. This is coming 2x plus 5. It goes twice. 2x plus 2 minus, and we are left with 3. So we can write this as x plus 2 plus 3 upon x plus 1 dx. And now using the rule we can write integral of x plus 2 into integral of 1 plus 3 into integral of 1 upon x plus 1. And we know this is x square by 2, 2 into x plus 3 into log of x plus 1 with base e plus c. By this method we can find the integral of such functions easily. To find the indefinite integral of different type of functions, we follow certain methods, and these methods are integration by number 1 substitution, number 2 partial fractions, and number 3 by parts. So these methods of indefinite integrals we will be learning in the coming videos. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.